Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to move purchase order into two approved state. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Purchase Price Approval. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users and see here these options purchase order, price approval. First allow this, let's save. Now go to companies and see here these options check purchase order high prices. Now go to purchase app, go to any order and see here this last order created this product, new product of steel and unit price is a 100. Now I want to create new order with the same product. Create new, select vendor like a ready-made, add product like a new product of steel. Last price is a 100 but I want to set here 200. Let's save and do confirm this order and easily see here drafts to move into two price approval. It means when new order price is more than last order price, then easily move into two price approval. Now easily do it confirm and now move into purchase order state. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.